Okay, dude.
I think when something
That doesn't
starts
seem that scary.
passing within the orbit of the moon, that's scary. That's scary to me. Like I think the moon's a 250,000 miles away.
Could crack
Like,
it in half. Go to the other
well,
side of the planet. Now we don't have those pesky tides.
I mean, I wouldn't want it to hit the. What if it hit the moon and shattered it and it turned into a ring system around us that slowly rained down on us over time? That'd be fun. Yeah,
Why would it
space is
rain down?
terrifying.
It wouldn't just stay up there like a ring. Like it would slowly.
Oh, rings go away. Saturn's going to lose. Earth used to have rings, and Saturn will eventually lose its rings. Uranus has rings. Neptune has rings. And like I said, Earth used to have rings. There's like clear evidence of it. You can see where over time the particles that were part of the rings laid this sediment layer down.
Neptune has the vertical ring, right?
Neptune or Uranus, I get them mixed up. They're so similar. They're both way the fuck out there, and they're both like a light blue color.
Yeah, a couple of who cares planets. Seriously, like what have they ever done for us?
The flyover planets.
Yeah, they're terrible planets. Mars should be the flyover planet. Jupiter is the coolest one. It's just a damn shame that it's a gas giant, and I don't think there's any way for us to even make cool. We could use the moon, and I get their moons. That would be neat to see. Fucking the giant that was Jupiter, like dominating the sky for like 4 days, and then it would be so ominous. You'd be like, "This, I didn't evolve to be here, dude." I peed late.
I can hardly wrap my head around a gas planet. Like the gravitational pull is so big. Why doesn't the gas like get pulled into something more solid? And every time I try to watch a video on like what it would be like to stand on Jupiter, it's like, you'd die, you'd be crushed, the gravity's so heavy, you'd weigh this. Stop it. I want to know, like, what happens if I stand on Jupiter? Like, what does it look like? How is it gooey above? Is it like a
metallic hydrogen?
Yeah. It's like a cloud. You just whoop right through.
I think the center of Jupiter is metallic hydrogen. It has crushed the gas down into a metal. So I think it's like solid doesn't really fit. I don't think, but it may be like a giant ball of mercury that's compressed so hard that it might as well be a solid. I don't know how big that core would even be because Jupiter itself is gargantuan. Like when you see Jupiter compared to the Earth, it's like, oh, well, that's not even close. Like I think the Great Red Spot or something is like 3 times bigger than the Earth.
Zach,
like
can you find a picture of Jupiter and Earth like next to each other? Like you see what I'm going for. This is sort of a silly worded question, but
yeah. Looks like it's definitely, or who knows? This is just some picture on Universe Today. Maybe it's not to scale.
They're always lying.
Well, it doesn't say to scale here, and I've been tricked by that before. I think I'm looking at a to scale picture, and I'm like, oh, I feel foolish.
That's how. Oh my God! Yeah. See, like the Great Red Spot is similar size to Earth. There.
It's actually closer than I thought. Like when you were like, they're not even close. I was picturing it compared to some suns. I mean, to say stars. Like there are stars that make
as
Jupiter
big as a solar system.
Yeah, they make Earth look like a speck of dust, and Earth's a lot more than that. Earth. If it was a fast traveling meteor, it would have an impact on Jupiter.
It would be a gargantuan impact. There was something, Levy 9 or something was the impact that we recorded a while back. Many years ago now of that hit Jupiter, and it's the biggest impact ever viewed by man. It hit Earth and made an explosion hit Jupiter and made an explosion like as big as Earth or something. You can see it hitting Jupiter and making these huge explosions. Have you ever seen the polar cap of Jupiter? How it's got that hexagon?
I don't think so.
There's a hexagonal formation on the north pole of Jupiter, system? And they don't really know. And there's frequently this weird green ball lightning up there that they also can't explain. And when they want clickbait, they're like, alien lights on the North Pole of Jupiter. And it's like, man, those guys are tough.
Yeah, right.
But yeah, life on Mars. I was pretty hyped about that. I know Taylor always says that microbes don't interest him, but I just think the idea that there can
lizard
be
or
life,
more. The Taylor lizard or more scale of life. It has to at least be a lizard.
I mean, I'd love to see a lizard. Yeah, a lizard would be sick. Little space lizard. I don't know.
What other parallel starting points would you add? You know, like what's equivalent to a lizard? A mouse?
Tadpole?
Tadpole. It's got to have a mouth, and it's got to have a way of like locomotion that I can see with my eye. Like I could see it move, not just like, hey, this rock's pretty
Does it
shiny.
need a brain? Because I don't think a Venus flytrap is meeting your qualifications.
Yeah, it'd probably have to have some sort of brain, or at least like whatever jellyfish are working with, where it's all just spinal cord and nerve endings or something. Is that not right?
Yeah, I'm a little. I know they don't have brains.
Yeah,
I know they don't recognize you. They certainly don't swim to the glass and beg for food or anything.
yeah, they don't give a fuck. They're basically plants, really. Have you ever seen seals eat them? There's not even an attempt at an escape. They just float there and get owned.
What can they do?
They can't do anything. So I guess they are.
Have you ever seen scallops react to like predators?
Mm-hmm.
They do this sort of kind of thing and like try to like swim away. And it's like, man, I didn't think you could do that. I mean, I'm still gonna eat your delicious asses, but like that's pretty cool.
Oh yeah, we eat cows. We're not making exceptions for those little creeps.
No,